Emergency. It's a major emergency. It's a bloody mess like a massacre. It's a bloody mess like a massacre. It's a bloody mess like a massacre.
Oh no, it's a major emergency. It was a bloody mess like a massacre. It's a major emergency at the Silver Savage Department. There's rats in the building and they're spreading crap. They're spreading Ratchet rumors about our savage secretary. And they're spreading crap, yeah, about our savage secretary. Ratchet rumors. Ratchet rumors. Ratchet rumors. Ratchet rumors about not a no good thing. But they're just not true. They call me Ratchet, but they're the Ratchet ones. Two of them go to the gym just to look sexy and take Ratchet pictures. Worse than anything I did. They are hypocritical. I'm tired of the Ratchet webs spreading rumors. Let's get rid of the Ratchet webs and rumors that are tumors to the soul. Ratchet rumors. I'm not the Ratchet one, they are. The rats are spreading their crap on me, and I'm gonna stand on savage business and stop it so I can slay and not have to worry about them anymore. Ratchet rumors, Ratchet rumors, Ratchet rumors. It's a major emergency at the Silver Savage Department. There are rats in the building, and they're spreading crap, yeah. They are spreading Ratchet rumors about our savage secretary. Yes, they are. Ratchet rumors. But they're just not true. They're Ratchet rumors about not a no good things. But they're just not true. So the savage secretary is gonna stand on Silver Savage business and stop the Ratchet rise and sway so we don't have to deal with them no more. Because they're Ratchet rumors. And I'm not putting up with it no more. Ratchet rumors. I'm not putting up with that, so I'm eliminating the Ratchet rats with my curious cat named EO. Yeah, meow. Get rid of these Ratchet rats. And the Ratchet rumors too.